You spent 12 years in school, maybe more. You learned algebra, history, literature, but nobody ever taught you how money actually works. Nobody explained why some people build wealth effortlessly while others work their entire lives and still end up broke. That's not an accident. These lessons were never part of the curriculum, and today we're going to change that. Stay until the end because lesson number 5 is the one that will completely change how you see money forever. Let's get into it. Lesson number 1. Your income is limited. Your wealth doesn't have to be. Most people are taught one thing about money. Get a job, work hard, get paid. Trade your time for a paycheck. But here's the problem. Time is finite. You only have 24 hours, and when you stop working, the money stops too. Wealthy people think differently. They don't just earn money, they make money work for them through investments, assets, businesses that generate income while they sleep. Earl Nightingale said it best. The key to financial freedom is not working harder, it's making your money work harder than you do. The shift starts in your mind. Stop thinking, how do I earn more? Start thinking, how do I build something that earns for me? Lesson number 2. Saving money won't make you rich. We're told to save money, cut expenses, be frugal. And yes, saving has its place, but saving alone will never make you wealthy. Here's why. Inflation. Every year, money sitting in your bank account loses purchasing power. What costs $100 today will cost $110 next year. Your savings are slowly being eaten alive. The wealthy don't just save, they invest. They put money into assets that grow faster than inflation. Stocks, real estate, businesses, knowledge. Napoleon Hill wrote about this in Think and Grow Rich. True wealth comes from a definite plan, not from putting money under a mattress. The rule is simple. Save to invest, not to keep. Every dollar you save should eventually be working for you somewhere. Lesson number 3. Your mindset is your net worth. This one sounds like a cliche. It's not. The single biggest factor that separates wealthy people from everyone else isn't education, luck, or connections. It's their mindset about money. Most people have an unconscious belief that money is hard to get, that rich people are greedy, that wanting wealth is somehow wrong. These beliefs were programmed into you by your parents, your school, your environment. Earl Nightingale spent his life studying this. His conclusion, recorded in what became one of the best-selling recordings in history, we become what we think about. Your dominant thoughts become your reality. If you constantly think, I can never afford that, you're right. If you start thinking, how can I afford that, your brain starts solving the problem. Same situation, completely different outcome. Lesson number 4. Debt can be a tool or a prison. School taught you that debt is bad. Avoid it, pay it off. But that's an oversimplification that keeps millions of people poor. There are 2 types of debt. Bad debt buys things that lose value, consumer goods, cars you can't afford, vacations on credit. This debt drains you. Good debt buys assets that generate income, a rental property, a business, an education that multiplies your earning power. The wealthy use good debt as leverage. They borrow money at 5% to invest in something returning 15%. The bank is literally paying them to get richer. The lesson isn't avoid debt. The lesson is understand what kind of debt you're taking on and why. And lesson number 5, the most powerful investment is in yourself. And here it is, the lesson that changes everything. Warren Buffett was once asked what the best investment he ever made was. He didn't say Apple stock, he didn't say real estate, he said investing in yourself. Every book you read, every skill you develop, every mentor you learn from, it compounds. A single idea from a book could generate thousands of dollars. A skill you learn today can pay you for the next 30 years. The market can crash, businesses can fail, but knowledge, once gained, can never be taken from you. This is why this channel exists, not just to motivate you, but to give you the ideas that change how you think so you can change how you live. These are the 5 lessons that school never taught you. And just knowing them already puts you ahead of 95% of people. If this gave you value, subscribe to Winning Mindset. Every week we break down the ideas, books, and principles that help you think bigger and win bigger. Drop a comment. Which of these 5 lessons hit you the hardest? I read every one. And if you want to go deeper, watch this next. See you there.